Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Following that, you need to install this app from Flare2 Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!